Welcome back to my YouTube video channel today, everyone. I'm Dr. Lockwin. It's my honor and privilege to use this channel to share some good news, to share the the work that I do as well as the work of other people do. But today I want to share you a couple of things. One of the reasons why I'm passionate to be a YouTuber for a dentist is to share a passion of what I do. On the other hand, I also want to help to uh, mm, encourage the dentists and colleagues who want to support couple organization that we are doing is one of that is Healing California. I want you to check out the video of Healing California, a non-profit organization that we do free dentistry from Southern California to Northern California. I want you to check this video out and let you know that we are care for homeless, veteran, underserved, uninsured patient. Thousands of people have been served in the past 8 years, and we are continue doing more for this year, next year. The reason I want to do this is to really get people aware that we have infrastructure in place, and if you are a dentist or a surgeon, a specialist who want to support the cost of what we do every year, we partner with local dental society, then local dental dentists, and we do in small and big event for at the local area, and we have mobile van, we have all the equipment and supply. We just need the dentist to help our hands. But on the other hand, we are a non-profit organization. We have employees, and we have the team that constantly have to go out there and support you what you do. So therefore, it require a lot of financial support. And just check out this video. We did the standout for Western, and also I'm going to include this, and I'm going to show the presentation of what I do. And so hope you like it. Let's share with you.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
California is a non-profit organization. Uh, we work to help thousands of Californians who are uninsured, who are disadvantaged, who don't have the opportunity to see a dentist in a dental chair. So every year we partner with a local dental society, dental dentist local, using either a public place like the school, the clinic, church place, and we serve from Southern California to Northern California. And we have a team that support this mission every day. We have the whole organization that's been established for more than 8 years, and you can see that the partner that we are partnered with is from dental supply company to dentistry organization, vision related, um, and we have a lot of upcoming clinic that I'm going to show you. So we can see Washingtonville coming up this Saturday, February 24, March 9 at the Joshua Tree Flying Doctor, partner with Flying Doctor in Los Angeles. We we have a mobile van. We in Los Angeles again, Women's Center, Los Angeles in April 27. As you can see that the list go on, and we have a long list to go through this year. I can't wait for you guys to take time and check out Healing California. If you again support here, all you have to do is click on the donation, and very easy to support what you can do, and your name can be listed here. Very powerful cause that help thousands of people. Last year we served about $2.8 million value for dental service and vision. So it's a great feeling. Anyway, today I want to jump in to show you the presentation that I'm going to share with you today is how to improve a deep bite case for a young patient like this, coming into your office with deep bite case, upper lower teeth crowded, and upper teeth so a lot of space, over chest, clearly severe. 16 years old, come to your office. She got 2 years to work on before she graduate, go to dental school, go to college. So how do you treat this case? The principle of treating the orthodontist case is you look at the vertical transitional occlusion. You have to go make sure the upper incisor is the key for treatment. The mandibular is the template of the maxilla, and the proper upper chin is what you want to accomplish. A good alignment of all teeth, minimum lower incisor canine expansion. You don't want to expand lower canine. That could be a major problem. You have to correct the midline discrepancy as much as you can. You have to level the curve of speed, maintain the basis of lower art form, and meet the cephalometric goal. Those are basic principle how you treat a case. Of course, you have to document. There's several ways to go with conventional braces or Invisalign. I'm not going to go into detail. In this case, I just want to show you that with the traditional approach, bracket metal braces, we can improve the patient, can control the case and improve from here. Patient can be improved if within several months into treatment. You can correct correct midline and everything. Just want to show you the result. This is before, this is after. This is before the teeth. You can see how much the teeth or lower teeth was way erupted, and one of the reasons that I want to show you is the younger the patient have deep bite, you have to be letting the parent know. You can see that she was young, but she only have damage of lower incisor. So it's very important to level out the curve of speed and reduce the super erupted, so you can reduce the deep bite, and that will help a lot of problem with severe grinding of the lower incisor and eventually damage on the upper teeth as well. So that's one of the reasons why you need to take care of braces. It's not just cosmetic dentistry only. It's also to improve and prevent further damage of the teeth. So you can see this from here to here. This is the result after we take out braces. This is right after braces removed. I don't want to show you that. I want you to see the improvement. This is right after we remove braces. Everything will align and straight. This is before here, and this is after. And same thing. This is before, and this is after. I want to show you how she look now. Look at that tremendous improvement. Very beautiful and happy young lady. This is before. This is after. You can see the improvement. Sometimes the ideal scenario, for example, correcting the midline and things like that. In this case, we were able to accomplish. I would say, depend on how she move her jaw, but I say 99% we were able to correct all the problem that we talk about. This is before and this is after. Tremendous happiness in her eyes, and as a general dentist, you can do it. You need to get training, you get to get confident, and you need to have a mentor. So hopefully this channel can help you to support your goal, and pretty soon we have continued education on this channel, and I'm hoping that those of you who want to be online teacher or mentor, you can partner with me. I can make this dream come true for international people around the world. The world is become so small. We can do it together. We can help and reduce the malocclusion for patients around the world. It doesn't have to be California. It doesn't have to be somewhere in the United States. It's a global goal is to treat everybody, improve their smile. I hope that you enjoy my presentation and see you next time. Thank you.